I welcome you all to my channel and let's discuss the steps towards PG entrance exam preparation. So last week I reiterated the importance of practicing MCQs and solving mock tests. Now this week I want to emphasize on covering all subjects. Now this is the most important step in NEET PG or any next entrance exam preparation, which will be covering all the subjects that are to be asked in the exam. Why this is important? Because even if you prepare a subject fully, you can't have 100% yield in the entrance exam. However, if you practice multiple subjects, the chances of scoring well in each subject is high. So you should practice all the subjects. You should learn all the subjects and practice MCQs related to all the subjects. Now this is the part where most students fail. Most students leave some subjects before the exam. That should never be done. If suppose you don't have time to cover the subject fully, you should at least do the rapid revision or some high yield points of that subject along with the previous year questions related to those subjects. When you are doing the previous year questions, you should also read the topic related to those previous year's questions, not just the MCQ. So this is very important. Now how to plan this? So whenever you are preparing for an entrance exam, there is some time, like I have 1 year time to prepare for this exam. So last 3 months you should leave for 2 revisions. 2 months 1 revision and then 1 month 1 revision. So last 3 months you should leave for revision. Remaining 9 months you should divide it among your subjects. You should give slightly more time to long subjects, slightly less time to short subjects. But you should also cover all the short subjects because they are highly scoring subjects. So the most important thing will be to stick to this timetable, and suppose you feel that your subject won't get completed in this time, then do the rapid revision, do the previous year MCQs, solve those topics and just move on to the next subject. Also, while revising, you should take one care that you should not leave everything for revision at the end. You should keep revising simultaneously. So every day when you are practicing MCQs, you should do 50 MCQs of the previous subject. Okay, so that you are in touch with your previous subject also. Maybe you can give, after completing one subject, you can give some 1 day time to revising the previous subject. So these are the steps you should follow for clearing the NEET or PG entrance examination, or later on it may be next entrance examination.